Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, Lesson 12. Hello. She's sitting and reading a black book. She's sitting and reading a black book. Black, black.
Do you see a black cat?
Do you see a black cat?
The cat has yellow eyes.
The cat has yellow eyes. Eyes, eyes. Orange eyes, orange eyes. This cat has blue eyes. This cat has blue eyes. What color? What color? What color is her book? What color is her book? Black. Her book is black. Black. Her book is black. What color is the balloon? It's red. What color is his balloon? What color is his balloon? His balloon is red. His balloon is red. Max has a red balloon. This is a black dog. This is a black dog. This black dog has brown eyes. This black dog has brown eyes. Brown eyes. Brown eyes. This black dog has a pink tongue. This black dog has a pink tongue. A pink tongue. A pink tongue. This dog has a pink tongue too. This dog has a pink tongue too. Pink, pink. The green frog has a pink tongue. Ribbit, ribbit. The green frog has a pink tongue. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. What color is it?
What color is this heart?
Yes, it's pink.
Yes, it's pink. Is it pink? Yes, it is. Max, is it orange?
No.
No, it's not.
I have a red tongue.
I have a red tongue.
I have a black eye.
I have a black eye.
I am green.
I am green. Orange, orange. Max has orange fish. Max's fish are orange. Max's fish are orange. Orange is my favorite color. Orange is my favorite color. Orange is my favorite color.
What color is it? It's orange. Orange is my favorite color.
Candy, candies. Candy, candies. Yum, yum. Okay, Max, throw the dice. Throw. What color? Orange.
Yellow and orange.
Yellow and orange. Can you find a candy that is yellow and orange?
Yellow and orange.
Please give me this candy. Yellow and orange candy. Yum, yum. Orange and yellow. Do you see an orange and yellow candy? Okay. Thank you, Max.
You're welcome.
Okay, throw the dice. Quick sticks.
Orange and green.
Orange and green? Okay.
Orange and green.
You found an orange and green candy. Orange and green. I see another orange and green candy. Can you find one more? Orange and green. Yes, we have 2 orange and green candies. 1, 2. Mouse, mice. Mouse, mice. Squeak, squeak. Look, a pink mouse. Look, a pink mouse. Mice. 4 mice. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look, Tristan is a mouse.
Look, Tristan is a mouse. Look, Max is a mouse. Squeak, squeak. Tanya and Max are mice. Tanya and Max are mice. Max and Tanya are mice. Max and Tanya are mice. Squeak, squeak. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. How many mice do you see? How many mice do you see? I see 2 mice. I see 2 mice. I see 2 white mice. I see 2 white mice. What is the mouse doing? What is the mouse doing? The mouse is sleeping. The mouse is sleeping. What color is this mouse? What color is this mouse? It's blue. It's blue. What color is this computer mouse? What color is this computer mouse? It's red. It's red. This is Angelina Ballerina. She is a white mouse. What color is Angelina Ballerina? She is white. She is white and pink. What do you see? I see 1 brown mouse. Squeak, squeak. 1 yellow cat. Meow. And 1 red balloon. Okay, Max, throw the dice. What color?
Pink and yellow.
Pink and yellow. Do we have a pink and yellow candy? Yes, we do.
Candy.
Thank you, Max. Pink and yellow. Okay, throw the dice again. Throw the dice. Okay, what color?
Purple and pink.
Purple and pink. Do you see a purple and pink candy? I see one, I see one. Purple and pink. Purple and pink. Keep looking. Purple and pink. Purple. Yay, right there. Thank you, purple and pink. Puppy. Puppy.
Look, a small puppy. Woof, woof.
What color is this puppy, Max?
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. What color is it?
It's brown,
And
black.
it's black and brown. That's right. And what color is that marker over there?
Orange,
And what color is the heart? Heart cushion.
pink,
It's pink. And what color is your t-shirt?
green,
It's green.
blue,
Max's t-shirt is
yellow,
green.
red,
The letters
Yellow.
are red, yellow, blue, and it says
Blue.
awesome.
Blue.
Awesome, Max. Okay, go.
Blue.
Go ahead.
yellow,
Yellow.
red, yellow, blue, yellow.
Yellow. And there's A. A is red or pink. And it says awesome. You guys are awesome too. I am walking. Max is walking. I am walking. And Max is walking. Max is running.
Max is running.
Good job. Well done. Homework. Black, pink, orange. Eyes, tongue. Mouse, mice, puppy. His, her.
Squeak, squeak. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. 2 mice. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.